Treni, Italia. When I say COVID-19, I mean COVID-20 still be much around here. So people, if you're coming to Italy, get your mask. If not, they're not gonna allow you enter anywhere. Or even restaurant itself, you're not gonna fit buy food. Just get mask. If you don't get this kind of one, just go so. Mask na mask. Yeah, me, you know, say you go reach here now, they say, they don't tell you. Yeah, the Jama don't tell you. You're coming to Italy, anywhere you're coming to Italy, get your mask. If you don't have all this one, they call it surgical mask. If you don't go so yeah? Mask and sunglasses together. You become mask man. Mask man one. We talk about we are in Italia. We are in the city called Dolo. You've been at Dolo with this, so Dolo. Well, so it is. Life in Italy is good, it's sweet. You get your money, come to Italy. Lovely, lovely, lovely country. Full of sightseeing tours, you know, full of, you cannot regret it. Just come, get your money, come. Just make sure if you're coming, get yourself an accommodation. Don't go stay with anyone. I'm not saying if you have somebody that you can stay with that person. But if you don't have somebody you can stay with, it's better you get hotel accommodation for the days you want to spend. It's better. At least you have your peace to yourself, you know. Like you're not going to be disturbing anybody, especially when you're traveling with your kids. You're traveling with your family, like we gang, you know. It's advisable to get a hotel accommodation or an apartment for the time you're going to spend. So give your kid a very homely and comfortable life, you know. So people, now we are in Treni, Italia. We are heading to Venice, you know. Very beautiful train. It's got air condition. It's got places that you can charge your phone. You see, it's got the USB there. Everywhere you see it, you have the USB connection. You can charge your phone. Very beautiful, clean, fully air conditioned. You know, it's got the window slide. You know, if you don't want the sun or if you don't want to see, you can slide it up. So I recommend, honestly, I highly recommend Italy for your vacation, holiday, or just sort of come relax. Honestly, it's not too expensive, like buying food and stuff, you know, it's not too expensive in Italy. It's not too expensive. And the going around in Italy is not that expensive as well, you know. We have so many different transportation system links. You have the tram, you have the bus, you have the train, you have the shuttle, you know. So just get ready if you're coming. Get ready. I'm telling you, you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. So many places to visit in Italy. You see my boy there? You know, he's enjoying it. He's having fun. You know, with his mask man, you'll be. What do you have to say about Italy?
Italy is really great. There's nice hotels, nice places to visit. Food is good. Yeah, it's a good experience.
Let me talk to the princess. So, what do you have to say about Italy?
It's nice. It's nice. Italy is really fun. It's a very fun place, and I recommend you go there.
Italy is really good and it has really nice sites to visit.
Your mom, what do you have to say about Italy?
It's a nice and lovely place. Yeah.
I say nice and lovely place, as I said. Look at Italy is having some lovely train, you know. This is double decker, Ojama gang, and in the upper deck